Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here and talk a little bit about how I will be grading your FRQs. So this was a concept application question. It was worth 5 points in total, so 3 points for part A, 2 points for part B. You're going to get 10 points participation for completing the FRQ. It's the first one, but I am going to go through and grade them on that 5-point scale just to let you know where you stand, where you might score on an actual AP exam. Now, I want you to keep in mind that I am going to be grading these with a bit more critical eye. I'm going to be grading them tough. And that is because you never know what the AP scorer is going to be looking for. They might grade really tough. They might be a little bit more lenient. You just don't know. So I'm trying to prepare you for that and prepare you to answer these questions exactly how AP wants you to answer these questions. Okay, so please do not get discouraged. Do not feel like I am picking on you. I don't want you to get stressed out. I'm trying to help you grow and learn how to answer these questions. It is a process, and I just want you to trust the process. Okay, so please, again, do not get discouraged. Do not get upset if I critique your writing in any way. I'm just trying to help you grow and learn how to answer these questions. So for part A, you had to give 3 issues with the Articles of Confederation and then 3 solutions from the Constitution. So in order to get all 3 points, you had to have 3 problems with the articles and 3 solutions. So you could have talked about the amendment process, the creation of an executive, interstate commerce, the national court system, taxation, raising a military, disputes between states, things like that. Those would have been weaknesses of the Articles of Confederation, and then you just had to provide a solution from the Constitution. So as long as you did that, you got 3 points. For part 2, in order to get, or part B, I guess I should say, in order to get full points for that, you had to have a specific explanation of the continuing tensions between centralization and decentralization. So this is where you had to talk about tensions over this issue, so whichever of the 3 issues that you picked, between the federal and state or federal and local governments. Okay, so you had to have that explicit linkage to one of those policy areas. You have to have that explanation as to how and to why. Okay, so talking about those tensions between federal and state governments, specifically with that issue addressed. Okay, so that's how you got full credit for that. So again, I am going to be grading these with a very critical eye. Please do not get discouraged. This is a learning process. We are going to do a lot of these. Just wanted to give you a little bit of an idea of how I am scoring these.